Welcome to our updated guide on how to show your high school to friends on Facebook. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to adjust your privacy settings and share your educational background with your Facebook friends. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Once you're in, look for the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of the screen. This is your menu button. Go ahead and tap it. Now, from the menu options, find and tap on Your Profile. This will take you to your personal Facebook page, where all your information is displayed. Next, you'll want to tap on Edit Profile. This option allows you to make changes to various aspects of your profile, including your education details. As you scroll down the Edit Profile page, you'll come across the Details section. Tap on Edit next to it to access more specific information about yourself. Under the Education category, you should see your high school listed. Look for the little pencil icon next to your high school's name. That's your Edit button. Give it a tap. Now, here's the important part. Tap on the Privacy button. This is where you can control who sees your high school information. From the privacy options that appear, select Friends. This ensures that only people you've added as friends on Facebook can see which high school you attended. Finally, don't forget to tap Save to apply these changes to your profile. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your privacy settings to show your high school only to your Facebook friends. This is a great way to connect with old classmates while maintaining some control over your personal information. Remember, you can always come back and adjust these settings if you change your mind about who can see your educational background. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Facebook tips.